Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Dr. Salawati binti Ahmad. My name is Husna Madiha binti Azman with metric number DE180052. I am from Group 1. Let me introduce you our group member, which is Nurul Raihan Sabrina, Jun Etiana, Vignan, and lastly Khairul Aiman. Okay, the title of our proposal is the challenges of open distance learning faced by students in UTHM. Okay, I will focus more on the introduction in this presentation. Okay, purpose of this assignment is to identify the challenges faced by students studying in open distance learning mode at UTHM. As you can see, nowadays, COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way of our learning in higher education. And communication via technology can occur as obstacles involving students' learning. This is why we choose this topic. These topics require the further improvement about the issue faced by the students. Okay, next is we'll continue to other members about problems.
Hello, my name is Jun Edenana Jenis and my matrix number is CE180032. So right now I will proceed on the problem statement that will be covered by our group. So as we can see that during the COVID-19 pandemic, students find it is difficult to understand the course and some are having a tough time on adapting to the unfamiliar technology that have been used for open distance learning. So the next one, our group focus on how to create the positive environment among the UTHM students. So the third one is the focus is on the challenge faced by UTHM students during the implementations of distance learning. As we can see that there's many problems that faced by students start from the implementations of the open distance learning. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nurul Raihan Sabrina binti Muhammad Saidi, matrix number DB180196. Today I will present the objectives and the conclusion of our research. For the objectives, we have 3 points. Our first point is to identify the challenges faced by students during distance learning. The second point is to find the causes of the challenges faced. The third point is to identify the effects of these challenges on the students.
Hi, my name is Khairul Aiman bin Busri. Metric number AP180366. In this video, I will continue about methodology. To gather all the information regarding to this issue, we had decided to use these two methods, which is quantitative and qualitative method. These two methods is really suitable for now because of the new normal, which it has transformed the concept of education to online learning. So we'll talk about the first method, which is quantitative method. For this method, an online survey will be done to UTHM students to collect the data that we need and also their point of view of distance learning. The questionnaire set will be using Google Form and it will be distributed through social media and also WhatsApp group. So next is qualitative method, where we will make interviews to some students, where we will ask the respondents about their view on this distance learning. Through this interview will be done through phone call and also video call. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Vignan. I will present on significance of the issues. Since COVID-19 pandemic, demand for online learning has risen significantly and will continue to do so in the future because most of the countries haven't come out from this outbreak. One of the issues are inability to focus on the screen. Most of the students having hard time to focus on the screen because they are easily being distracted by other things such as social medias or their handphones. Second issue are the technology issues. Technology issues can be grouped up, such as some of the students have limited equipment such as laptops, or other students experiencing weak internet connection to their devices. The third issue is sense of isolation. Since there are limited physical communication between students and lecturers, there is a gap has been created, so they don't communicate like they used to do back in university. So that's all from me. Thank you.
The conclusion is the purpose of this research is conducted to identify the problem faced by students during distance learning in the rise of the pandemic. The main problem is that the students seem to find it is hard to adapt to this new norm. Thus, this research is to be conducted to find the cause, the effects, and to identify the challenges faced by the students. The researcher hope that the findings will shed light onto identifying the challenges faced by the students and improve the way on how students can embrace the new norms as it is.